So with Elon raising money, $6 billion for this, so some of it is his own money, and then he's also raised from many other serious investors. So what that does is that gives Elon the cash he needs to buy the GPUs and to pay for the people and so on. That gives Elon the credibility that not only are you doing this with you and your own money, even if people might disagree with his way of thinking, there are many other institutional investors that put in a lot of money with him as well. So that validates further. And third, for those who are working today in Meta and OpenAI and so on, and they want to make a move, they like Elon's style, it appeals to them, and they want to move there. Now they feel comfortable saying, okay, I'm going to leave my lucrative job in in my existing company and move to XAI because they've raised money, they have a long-term growth for this, they have access to X, the data of X to build the models on this. Elon has complained a lot about Meta's LLM, about Google's LLM, and how they're building it and so on. He has something very specific in mind, and he needs billions of dollars to build it, and he has them now.